For someone experiencing a kundalini awakening, there's this phenomenon known as kriyas, in which your body kind of spontaneously makes some type of movement. Sometimes it's yoga poses, sometimes just kind of twists and convulsions. So when you're boiling water, you're adding energy to the water. It heats up, it keeps heating up, and eventually it gets to a point where the water can no longer exist in its current form, in its current liquid form, because there's too much energy. And so it changes into a gas form. It boils out. It changes form. A similar thing happens with kundalini when you're receiving energy. The way I experience it is usually some type of vertical energy, or a feeling of something rising from lower in my body up into the head is where I usually feel it go. Whatever type, whatever, regardless of shape, this energy, you're receiving energy just like the water. And what happens when there's too much energy for you to keep your current form? You have to transform just like the water. And so for me, the way it usually happens is I'll feel a building sensation in my body. Then my head might turn, or I kind of can feel it's about to happen kind of thing. And sometimes I think I prematurely like snap it, like, twist my muscles to make it happen because I can feel kind of what it's doing. But if you keep letting it build without getting involved, if you allow the energy to be there, what seems to happen for me is that the cracks that happen mostly in my cervical spine or in my cranium, they seem to happen on a deeper level, at a deeper, more profound level. When I crack it, the second I feel it building, and I kind of crack it as soon as I have an opportunity to, that's more of the superficial change. But when you let it be there until it decides when you're going to crack, you're not really involved. It's hard not to get involved the way it feels like, because it's a really satisfying feeling. Um, but if you let it take you the way it wants to, it'll be a deeper level that you can't really access with your conscious intelligence. It has to use its power, its whatever magical power that it has. Or alternatively, it just is more energy. There's more energy in your system, so the transformation has to be a more profound. You have to have a bigger shift um, in order to come into your new form.